Welcome to Joaquin Fagundo's channel, where we dive deep into the latest in tech, AI, and the future of innovation. Joaquin Fagundo's has got you covered on all the breaking tech news, and today, we're unpacking a huge move in the AI world. You've probably seen AI popping up everywhere these days, but hold on, Baidu, yes, you heard that right, Baidu just made a bold move in the world of artificial intelligence that has everyone in the tech world buzzing. So, why is the internet exploding? Let's break it down. Baidu's bold move, making AI models free. What does it mean? Okay, let's get to the juicy part. Baidu just released two groundbreaking AI models, Ernie 4.5 and Ernie X1, on its platform ahead of schedule. And hold onto your hats, they're free. Yes, you heard that correctly. Free. This has sent ripples through the tech industry as Baidu openly takes on big names like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Tencent by offering state-of-the-art AI tools to everyone, not just big players. So, why would a company do something so audacious? And why is the entire tech scene going wild about it? Baidu's AI journey, from struggling to shining bright now, let's backtrack a bit. Baidu, a major player in China, wasn't exactly an overnight sensation when they first launched their AI platform in 2023. In fact, it was a bit of a slow burn at first. Chat had already made waves with OpenAI's release, and Baidu found itself fighting off competition from the likes of ByteDance. Yes, the folks behind TikTok, and startups like DeepSeek, which made huge waves by claiming to deliver AI models that were just as powerful as the top-tier models from the US. Yet these came at a fraction of the cost. That right there, folks, is what you call a game changer. So how did Baidu handle this? Well, they doubled down on innovation and decided to come out swinging. By releasing Ernie 4.5 and Ernie X1 for free, they threw down the gauntlet and said, "Hey, we're coming for you, and we're doing it at a price point that is hard to beat." Ernie 4.5, a multitasking powerhouse. Let's talk about Ernie 4.5. This isn't just any AI model. It's a multimodal beast, which means it doesn't just process text, but it can handle images, audio, and potentially video as well. It's like a Swiss Army knife for AI enthusiasts, but better. Not only that, but it boasts impressive abilities in language, logic, memory, and even emotional intelligence. Let's be honest. We've all had those memes and satirical cartoons that require some serious emotional intelligence to get. And Ernie 4.5 is up for the challenge. This model is designed to understand nuances in language, logic, and humor, the kind of AI that might just get your sarcastic jokes right. And trust me, that's no small feat. But wait, it gets even better. Ernie 4.5 scored over 90% in a task called Document Visual Question Answering, which involves understanding complex documents. That's big news for anyone working with contracts, research reports, or legal text. Imagine not having to sift through mountains of paperwork yourself and letting AI do the heavy lifting. Sounds like a dream, right? Ernie X1, the deep thinking genius. Next up is Ernie X1. Baidu is calling this model their reasoning-focused deep thinking machine. And get this, it's claiming to rival DeepSeek's R1 model at half the cost. This is a bold claim, and Baidu isn't holding back. The Ernie X1 shines in areas like Chinese multilingual understanding Chinese Ka, and even Math 500 benchmarks, where it reportedly outperformed GEPT 4.5. Yes, you read that right, it beat GEPT 4.5 in math tests. I mean, math and logic are at the heart of AI reasoning. So if you can outperform GEPT in that department, you're doing something right. The fact that Ernie X1 can rival GEPT's performance in complex tasks for half the cost is a huge win, especially for startups or researchers who might be on a tighter budget. You could say it's the underdog story we all love, but this underdog just took down the heavyweight champion. Why Baidu is giving away these AI models for free? Now, here's the million-dollar question. Why is Baidu giving away these AI models for free? Developing advanced AI is not cheap. We're talking serious money for cloud servers, data centers, research, and development. So why the sudden generosity? The answer lies in Baidu's strategic play. This move is all about user adoption. By giving away Ernie 4.5 and X1 for free, Baidu is essentially building a massive user base. And we know what happens when you get a ton of users, you get real-world data. More data means better model improvement, which, in turn, makes the AI even more attractive for enterprise-level deals, research, or licensing partnerships. Think about it. If everyone's using your platform, that's a goldmine of feedback and data, helping you refine and perfect your product. Plus, if these AI models are tied into Baidu's cloud services or integrated into their search engine, they still stand to generate indirect revenue. It's like getting everyone on board for a free demo, then later offering premium services or integrations that businesses will pay for. And there's more. Baidu has announced that it plans to open source some of its Ernie models starting June 30th, following in DeepSeek's footsteps of fostering an open source ecosystem. It's a bold and visionary move that's bound to shake things up in the AI world. The global AI arms race, who will win? So, where does Baidu stand in the AI arms race? Well, it's up against some tough competition. Tencent released a model earlier this year, claiming it could answer questions faster than DeepSeek's models. Alibaba is working closely with Apple to bring AI to its devices in China. And don't forget about ByteDance, who is also pushing its own AI chatbot into the ring. But here's the thing. While other companies are fighting for attention, Baidu is playing the long game. They've already integrated DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model into their search engine. They've also made it clear that their goal is to be the go-to platform for AI at scale. From consumer chatbots to enterprise solutions, Baidu wants to become the global leader in AI. And they're starting by carving out their own space with affordable, accessible AI models that can be scaled across industries. China's AI push, a massive industry in the making, and don't forget China's growing role in the AI revolution. Local governments in Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangdong are building AI industry hubs and offering subsidies to support AI innovation. Experts predict that China's AI market could be worth a whopping 811 billion yuan by 2028. That's a lot of growth, and Baidu is positioning itself to be a major player in that explosive market. The future of AI, can Baidu keep up? But here's the catch. As amazing as these free AI models are, there's still the question of whether Baidu can maintain this pace. AI development is expensive, and while they've had some solid financial growth, it's not a guaranteed long-term strategy to offer top-tier models for free. Could we see premium tiers for advanced features or usage limits down the road? Only time will tell. For now, though, Baidu's strategy is paying off. Millions of users rushed to try out ErnieBot as soon as the announcement was made, and developers are already testing its multimodal capabilities. There's no doubt that this move is already making waves, and the possibilities are endless. What's next for Baidu and the AI industry? As of March 16, 2025, the trajectory of AI development in China has shifted. No longer is advanced AI only for well-funded labs or huge corporations. With Baidu offering free or low-cost AI tools, researchers, small startups, and even teachers in remote areas now have the opportunity to leverage AI for a fraction of the cost. Will Western companies like OpenAI and Google feel the pressure to release more affordable models? Will Tencent and ByteDance step up their game to match Baidu's offerings? The AI race has just become a lot more exciting. Let me know what you think about this bold move by Baidu and the future of AI. Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all things AI, tech, and innovation. Catch you in the next one.